In this video, I'm going to show you how you can personalize the emails that go out to your internal employees as well as your customers. These are the confirmation emails that get sent for inquiries and for orders that they submit. So from the back end, when you're on your dashboard, and this is when you first log into manage, from the appearance drop-down, you're going to select email customization. And once that's loaded, you'll see you have a drop-down here for orders received or inquiries received. You can toggle between those two to edit the appropriate email that you want to control. So in this instance, we're going to do the order received. You'll also see that the drop-down next to that is for store managers. These are your internal employees that receive the confirmation when an order is placed, or your store clients. This would be the end user or the customer that has submitted this order. So this is the one that you really want to edit. So here, we'll scroll down a bit. You can see here's the email subject. So you have control over that, and you can type in whatever you want that to say. If you scroll a bit down here, you'll see here's the body of the email. Okay. Very simple. It's just like if you worked in Microsoft Word or Microsoft Outlook. You're just typing in simple letters, and you have some styling above there. So let's just say thank you for your order. And we look forward to working with you. Maybe you want to enter and do a line break, and maybe you could do a return policy. It's really up to you on how customized you want these to be. Something like that. You can also highlight it, and with the options above here, you can make it larger. You can make it, italics and bold and different styles. You can control the font, and you can also control the color. So we'll just put that in with a red highlight, or you can do the color of the text. So we've changed that to a red color text. Then there's a lot of these words in brackets. Now these are automatically will pull through the details of the order, like products and coupons. You probably don't want to mess with that too much. It can be fairly complicated. But we're just going to add an image here as well. So maybe you want to, in these emails that go out, maybe you want to advertise a monthly special. So I'm going to put that in the bottom. I'm going to put a little image that shows. I've created this image. I'm just going to go to the very bottom of the email and enter, do a line break. And at the top, all the icons here, you'll see that there's one that looks like a little mountain. That's the image properties button. I'm going to click that. And it's going to bring up the image properties preview. Now first I need to upload my image. So I'm going to click Browse Server. That brings up this where all the images that are on my website are. I'm going to choose File to then locate the image on my local hard drive. Okay, so there's the image I want, my monthly specials picture. Go ahead and open that, and then upload in the lower right corner there. Okay, now I can click my monthly specials. It'll take me, give me a little preview. At this point, you can adjust the size if you want to. Maybe you want to make it a bit smaller. Now you can always go smaller. I wouldn't recommend going larger because it will pixelate the image. I'll go ahead and click OK, see how that looks in the bottom. So you can see now when my customer opens that email, this image is going to be at the bottom. Next thing I want to do is create a link. It'll take them directly to this product. So I have a couple tabs up here. So I have it ready to go. So you would just bring up the product in the front end. So you can see here is the product on my website. I'm just going to copy this whole URL. So highlight it and copy. Right click and copy, or Control C on my keyboard. And then I'll go back to the email customization. I'm going to click on the image. I've selected it now. And again, one of these icons looks like a little chain link. That's the Add Insert Link button. So click that. You can then paste in that whole URL. and click OK. So now when my customers click on that image, it's going to take them directly to that product. Another thing you can do is create a survey. So what I've done on this site here, I've also created a page with a survey that asks for the name and company name you can see, rate the product if they like the product, maybe ask them how we are doing, and if we can add that quote to our testimonials page. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to add a link to this survey. So I'm going to highlight that full URL. Go ahead and copy that. Control C on my keyboard. Then from the back end, with the in the edit screen of this email, I'm going to insert a link. So again, I'm going to do a line break below that. You can put this wherever you want. I'm going to say please click here. Okay, so I've written what I want, and I've put the word here in large text in capital letters. So I'm just going to highlight it. And just like we did with the image below, you can do the same thing with text. So I've highlighted my text. I'm going to go up top in here to the chain link to the insert link icon. And I'm just going to paste that URL there. Then I'll click OK. So now when my customer gets that email, and they can click on that link to take them to that survey. Just some examples of some different options. Again, you can type in whatever you want to this email. So now I'm going to go ahead and save this template. Okay, so you can see it's added above here. Now there's a little key and some color indicators on which ones you're editing. It's a nice thing. It does save a lot of your revisions. So if you ever mess one up or you want to go back to an older one, you can do that by selecting it here. So you can see in here the blue is the default. Green is the current active. So they're both the same. So right now the default is my currently active. This one here is the one that I've just created. So I'm going to click Use now that I've created that one. You can see it changes it to green. So now that's the highlighted one, and it's the one that I'm currently have enabled on the site. So this is the email that's going to get sent out. You can also preview them. It's going to bring up a pop-up so you can see what it's going to look like in the end user's email. So you can see, remember, that text is red, and there's the link that goes to the survey page. You scroll down. There's our special of the month product, power banks. Go ahead and click close on that. Now if I want to edit this one, again, I can click edit, and you see it gives it a pink highlight. And as it says here, it's currently in the editor. So the one that's highlighted in pink is the one that we're currently editing. And that's how you can customize the emails that go out for inquiries and orders to your customers.